In this video, I will show you how you can fix the mobile data not working problem on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. Now in the control center, just make sure that the mobile data is turned on. Now if it is already turned on, then just tap on the airplane mode icon and turn it on. Then just wait for a couple of seconds, and after that, just turn it off. And by doing that, you will do a quick network refresh on your Samsung phone. And after that, just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Connections. From here, just tap on Mobile Networks. Then on this page, just scroll down and tap on Network Mode. Now, if it is on 5G, just select LTE. Because sometimes when you're in an area where there is no 5G signal, your phone will start searching for a 5G signal, and this will cause the mobile data not to work. So just turn off 5G and select LTE. Now just do this for both of your SIM cards if you're using two SIM cards. Then check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back and tap on data usage. And from here, just tap on data saver and make sure that it is turned off. After that, just go to your home screen and perform a restart on your Samsung phone. For that, just open the control center, then tap on the power icon, then select restart. Now once the restart process is completed, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. But if your issue is still not fixed, then the last thing you can do is just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on General Management. On this page, just scroll down a bit and tap on Reset. And on this page, you will find the option called Reset Mobile Network Settings. Now just tap on it, then select the SIM card for which you want to reset the mobile network settings. For example, if you're using SIM card 1 or SIM 2, I will select SIM 2, then tap on Reset Settings. Now just tap on Reset, and by doing that, you will reset all the network settings for the SIM card which you have selected. And you can go back and you can select the other SIM card, and you can reset the settings for the other SIM card too. And hopefully by doing that, you will fix the mobile network issues on your Samsung phone. But if you have done all that and if none of these methods worked, then you might have a hardware problem with your Samsung phone. Just take your smartphone to any service center and they will fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.